How can I get cheaper car insurance? A question so many people ask. Car insurance is a type of insurance that every licensed driver must have if they own their own vehicle. Some different types of car insurance may offer different types of coverage, which can be from accidental to purposeful damage, as well as the different parts of a vehicle. For example, the insurance offered to a Tesla owner will differ from the insurance offered to a vehicle which is not electric. I think we can all agree we all want the cheapest car insurance available, but with the most coverage. But how do we find the cheapest car insurance? It's not only about finding the cheapest car insurance, but also setting yourself up to be eligible for the cheapest car insurance. In this video, we will cover the 12 hacks to cheaper car insurance. These are all legal ways of getting cheaper car insurance that won't break the bank, but will still offer you the coverage and protection you need for you and your loved ones. We believe everyone deserves to know about these 12 hacks to cheaper car insurance, and for that reason we have decided to pack this video with valuable information that you can return to at any time for a refresher. Be sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of the 12 hacks to cheaper car insurance, and we will be sure to touch on every single method you can personally use yourself to find cheaper car insurance, along with having any and every question you may have had before watching this video answered by the end of it. Car insurance can be a costly bill for some drivers every month. Frequently, individuals are shelling out some serious cash for policy add-ons they don't actually require, yet are a must. Individuals are left continually pondering, for what reason is my car insurance policy so costly? The appropriate response includes understanding what goes into car insurance and the most ideal approaches to get cheaper car insurance. This will also include some methods to avoid the add-ons deemed a necessity in an easy and simple fashion. Join us as we help new drivers, youthful drivers, and experienced drivers locate the most reasonable rates on their current coverage plans. There are a few factors that car insurance companies use to choose the cost and coverage you get when searching for a cheap car insurance policy. The company will, for the most part, think about a few of the following things, including your driving record and if you have any tickets or have been pulled over, how regularly you utilize your car, on the off chance that you have a garage or if your car is left on the city roads, your age, the city or state you live in, the type of car you drive, and finally, your credit score and how well you can complete your payments. The better your driving record, the more established you are, and the more insured your own resources are, it is almost certain you'll always locate the cheapest car insurance you're after, with all other things being the same. Notwithstanding, there are a couple of other car insurance hacks you can investigate to find moderate rates, yet those hacks will be subpar at best. Today, we have the best 12 hacks to cheaper car insurance. Starting off at number 1, you will want to review your coverage policy every 6 months. There's a ton of rivalry present in the insurance market, which means rates regularly change for companies to stay aware of interest and fluctuating business needs. Oftentimes, when you get settled with an insurance company, they'll gradually raise their rates while different organizations are bringing down theirs. The reason for this is that you are most likely set on the idea that you will not switch insurance providers and therefore will not check up on your coverage policy. Even if you do when it's too late, you will have been charged for previous months and there is nothing much they can do to assist you at that point. They pull it off in light of the fact that the vast majority don't see the climbs. It's consistently a smart thought to call around when your policy is up for renewal at the end of 6 months to ensure you're actually getting the least expensive car insurance conceivable. Staying with one insurance company does not always equate to getting the best rates possible. Moving on to number 2, and this one is a given in all areas of life. Constantly check for discounts. Majority of the time in the insurance industry, there will be a discount when the insured has a solid driving record, along with the other factors mentioned above, and at times, they may want to stay competitive and offer similar pricing to their competitors. There are some well-kept secret facts in the insurance business that you regularly don't hear of, except if somebody educates you. For instance, in the event that you work for the government or military or have close family in that occupation, you can regularly get reduced car insurance through what's known as affinity discounts. There are likewise limits for taking extra driving courses or in any event for being a senior. When searching for another insurance policy, mention it to your loved ones. It may appear to be an exhausting discussion subject, however, it will probably drive leads for mystery car insurance deals you could get. Besides, it's always better to ask. At number 3, you will want to use price comparison sites. Everyone has used a price comparison site at one point in their life, whether it be to book flights, hotels, or insurance. Comparing car insurance rates is an extraordinary method to guarantee you're getting the least expensive car insurance. Along with public information on rates, you can always negotiate and try to get a better rate. Some insurance companies have no problem offering you an even greater discount and will do so if that's what will ensure you sign on with them. Websites like compare.com permit you to assess coverage plans in your area by exploring a few major name companies and more similar brands to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. As we move on to number 4, this one is a given. With so many different factors coming into play when going about getting the best deal on insurance rates, improving your driving habits will play a major role in this journey. Things such as braking more smoothly, slowing down at right-hand turns, coming to a full stop, are actually a bigger deal than most would suspect. Actually, the most ideal approach to get an incredible insurance rate has nothing to do with going through loopholes. It just involves improving the safety of your driving, reduce the frequency of accidents on your record, and the insurance company will be happy to decrease your rates. What's more, insurance agencies are utilizing telematic gadgets that can be installed in your vehicle to screen your driving. In the event that it identifies that you're a mindful driver, data can be communicated to the company to get you less expensive car insurance, as my own insurance company has helped me get up to an additional 25% off on my car insurance. For number 5, try to add a more experienced driver to your policy. Did you realize that older, more experienced drivers often get better rates on car insurance than newer, younger drivers? Especially the individuals who have stayed away from accidents and traffic stops. In case you're younger than 25 or have an awful driving record, it very well may be valuable for you to ask an older driver, for example your parents or an older sibling, to join your policy. By doing this, it will essentially put their driving record on the front page of your insurance policy and have you in the back seat. For number 6, you will want to stay away from prepaid insurance. At the point when cash gets tight, individuals regularly decide to forego paying their car insurance premiums for more significant bills like the home loan or lease, car payment, utilities, or groceries. Accordingly, you'll end up with a more costly strategy that compels you to prepay the following year's premium ahead of time. You'll wind up stuck with an overpriced premium with no way out. Not only will this trap you, but you will also realize you made a mistake when it's too late, and if you ever wanted to switch insurance companies, cancel your insurance, etc., you will not be able to and will be in some trouble yourself. While you're searching for less expensive car insurance, remind yourself of the consequences of skipping your installments and understand the importance of paying your car insurance on time. As this brings us to number 7, we must say that paying your insurance premiums yearly will more often than not yield cheaper car insurance. These days, many people decide to pay their expenses month to month to separate the payments. Be that as it may, you end up paying more over the long run with this technique of payment. By paying your expenses every year, you can save a few $100s per year by receiving a discount, cutting off any interest payments, and more. Moving on to number 8, this brings us to discovering cashback offers. Insurance companies frequently post deals, discounts, and special promotions through cashback sites. At the point when you buy items or use a service on sites like Shop at Home, Extra Bucks, and Ebates, you'll get promotions and offers as rewards for your spending. Similar to how movie theaters offer cashback rewards cards or airlines offer rewards points, you can receive cashback offers from insurance companies to put towards your next insurance payment. At number 9, we must say this: play the competition. As referenced beforehand, the car insurance business is ready with rivalry. There are insurance companies everywhere, a large number of which make billions from their widespread policies. You can utilize this competition to find the company which can improve rates on your insurance policy, as they will be looking for any way and every way possible to stay competitive and not undercharge or overcharge for their policies. Point out an arrangement that another company offered you to get a discount on what your current insurance company is offering. As we approach the final 3 hacks to cheaper car insurance, at number 10 is search for coupons. In all honesty, you can actually get coupons for car insurance. A significant number of these coupons are more similar to ads than actual coupons, yet some may save you a small percentage on your rates. These are worth researching. If you previously graduated from college or completed a program, many organizations offer their graduates or past users the opportunity to use a voucher or coupon towards their insurance, which will drastically reduce their rate. And now for number 11, you may want to downsize your car. The larger size and more costly your car is, the more it will cost to insure. In the event that affordable insurance and incredible coverage are what you seek, you'll have a difficult time finding that with a huge vehicle. Think about your options, including possible downsizing and whether or not that is what you want to do. Consider getting a smaller car to soothe your tighter financial budget and potentially reallocate some of the funds you have now, save towards an investment that will generate you some extra cash for the future, which could also fund a brand new car sometime in the future. Finally, at number 12, you want to utilize your credit card rewards. Numerous insurance companies will collaborate with banks to offer discounts on insurance as a compensation for the frequent utilization of your credit card. Search for this type of reward when you cash in with your bank. This is a 2-in-1 deal, as you can utilize your credit card to build your credit score and also pay your insurance. So there you have it. Now you know the 12 hacks to cheaper car insurance. If you learned a new way to get cheaper car insurance today, be sure to let us know what method you found the most interesting in the comments below. As well, if you feel that you are more educated on the topic of insurance as a whole, we would love to hear that. Maybe even suggest what future topics you want to see a video on regarding insurance. We are open to all suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and can't wait for the next one, please like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. This will let you know when a new video comes out, and it will also help the channel out greatly. Thank you for stopping by, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, it's been Insurance Reassurance, and have a great day. See you next time.